Good day, children. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. Very good. Okay. So, children, in my last session, I introduced you to a new chapter about different people going to different places of work. Right? Today, I'm going to revise some of it and then I'll proceed further. Okay? So, let's take a look. So, here on my screen, today you can see some places of work. Let's take a look. Okay, remember these ones? We talked about them. Where do they work? Let's say the teacher. Teacher goes to school and teaches you. A firefighter helps extinguishing fire. And barber, what is his job? His job is to cut your hair. And a baker, he bakes the cakes. And a doctor, but of course, he looks after you when you are sick. And florist, he arranges flowers for you. Then a chef. So for a chef who works at a restaurant, when you go to a restaurant, he cooks food for you. And then a cashier. A cashier is a front desk person. It can be anywhere. It can be at a restaurant and it can be at a bank, right? His job is to calculate the cash and handle the accounts. Okay? Alright, so these are the people who work in different professions. Okay, now today I'm going to introduce to the workplaces. Where do they go to? For example, number 1 says police station. Who goes to the police station? A policeman. And post office. Why do you go to post office? You go to post office when you need to buy stamps or when you want to post letters. So a postman collects all the letters and all the parcels from the post office and he delivers at your place. A restaurant. Restaurant, we all know we go out to eat food. Then a mechanic workshop. So it's quite clear who works there. A mechanic who fixes your car. So if you have a broken car, you have any issues, any troubles with the car, you go to a mechanic workshop to get it repaired. Then to a hospital. When do we go to hospital? When we are sick. We go to doctor who works in a hospital. Who else works in the hospital? Nurse, and there are many other people, like there may be a pharmacist who sells the medicines, right? And then is the airport. Why do you go to airport? When you want to travel, when you want to go outside, you go to airport to board a flight, to catch a plane. Then to the train station. If you are traveling by train, then you will go to train station to board a train. Then comes the TV station. It's the station which consists of all the satellites to handle the broadcast of different TV channels, right? Then comes the bakery. We all know, why do we go to bakery? When we want to eat delicious cakes. Then comes the fire station. So who comes from the fire station? A firefighter. They are the fire emergency services. They give you fire emergency services in case of a major fire breakout, right? Then is your school. You all miss your school. There is no need to explain why do we go to school. Yes, we go to study, we go to meet our teachers, we go to play and learn lots of things, right? Then comes the veterinary. Veterinary is a place where you take your pets in case if they need a medical advice. If they are sick, they go to vet. Okay, children? Okay, so this was all about the different people who work and their workplaces. Workplaces is a place where they go to work, right? So, I have a small worksheet for you. Let's try to solve it right now. At the bottom, you can see the word bank. You need to use this word bank to fill in the blanks above. Okay? So quickly take a look at the word bank. It has a teacher, a doctor, a baker, a fireman, a mechanic, a farmer, a waitress, a football player, and a police officer. Okay, so let's use this word bank. Number first, Dash works in a hospital. Who works in a hospital? Quickly. A doctor works in a hospital. Dash works in a school. Who works in a school? It's your teacher. Teacher works in a school. Dash works in a garage. Who works in a garage? From the word bank, you're supposed to choose a mechanic. Then, who works in the police station? We just read a police officer. Dash plays football on a stadium. It's of course a football player. Then number 6, Dash works in a bakery. Who bakes your cakes? A baker. Dash works on a farm. Who grows vegetables for you? A farmer. Then number 8, Dash works in a cafe. Who works in a cafe? Who serves you the food? She's a waitress. Dash works in a fire station. Who works in the fire station? A firefighter or a fireman. So this was all about today's work. Please go through your sheets and try to solve the questions on your own. Goodbye.